Oh man, I'm streaming. Yup. um, I attempted to do something for April Fools because for the majority of the people watching this, it's already April 1st. And my normal upload schedule would be a half hour away from April 1st. But what I had done ended up terrible. I won't say what it is because we're going to do it again tomorrow. Because I have to do something for April Fools. But last year, I did I did April Fools on my April Fools. So, yeah. If I record on my April Fools and upload at the regular time, I'm uploading half an hour before April Fools is over for me. And it's already over for most everyone, but whatever. Oh man. Chugs, no, please. Where are we here? There we go. Am I logged into the right thing? Okay, cool. I'm gonna watch chat from my phone because I'm in front of my computer, but I'm gonna actually be. I'm not gonna be using my computer for chat. I'm gonna actually try to try to script an auto hotkey live because uh you know I did the playlist backwards. I did the whole playlist completely backwards for Kumo and Shield. In my head, I wanted to showcase the new episodes, so I was like, put the episodes on top. You know, put the new episodes on top and the old episodes on the bottom. And what I didn't really realize and think about was that when you were watching an episode, when you were watching the video through the playlist, the next episode you will then watch will be the one before that sequentially yeah, which is super fucking dumb when it's a story. You don't read a book with the chapters backwards. It doesn't make any sense. So now I have to fix that. I have to get everything to run backwards. And I've been working on this script and I have no idea what's wrong with it. So I'm gonna workshop that live. Because I don't know, I want to. What I need to happen is for the one to be at the top. So I need to push everything above chapter 1 to the bottom. And the best way I can think of doing this is is to find chapter 1 and then go to the thing above it and then send it to the bottom. The only really way to do that is there's a function, or there's a thing called image search within AutoHotkey, and I either have it horribly wrong or horribly broken because I cannot get it to work. What I think I'm doing is I'm searching for the image, right? I screenshot and I cropped out what says chapter 1. And right now I'm just doing a test. I'm not even running the full thing. Because the full thing, you know, if I can get this to work, I can make out how to run the full thing. But right now I just want to test and I just want to figure out the exact coordinates that it finds. Because what it's going to do is it's going to search in a little box that I determine. It's going to search for an image that looks like the image that I determine from the working directory. That the directory set up, the image is set up, because it gives me two different error levels and one of them means it couldn't do it at all, and one means it couldn't find the picture, and it keeps telling me that it can't find the picture, not that it can't do it at all. So I have no idea why, but I'm gonna try to figure that out now, maybe. Oh God. Okay. So I gotta use my Windows Spy, and I'm gonna look at the coordinates, maybe. I don't know. This is super dumb to do on an audio-based show because I have to describe the code that I'm writing. It's a terrible idea. Why would I say that I'm doing that? And there's a horribly low chance that anyone watching this live would have any idea what I'm talking about and be able to help me. I think it just doesn't work very well, but I don't know any other way to do it. Is there like a search for text function? Let's text controls. What is this? No, that's if I add a GUI. I don't want to add a GUI. I might be able to set it up with just look at like the annoyance. What do you mean? What do I mean? I don't know what I mean. I might just be able to set it up to just click and then scroll and then click and then scroll. But it's so a fundamental of art. Short chugs. Alright, what's my problem? If I can figure out exactly like how many pixels it moves when I scroll, maybe I can. Does anybody know that? How many pixels the page moves when I scroll with my mouse? Because I don't know that at all. Because if I can do that, then I could just have it click and then scroll and then click and then scroll and then click and then click and then scroll and then click and then scroll and then click and then click and then scroll and then click and then scroll and then click and then click. Maybe. It's still gonna. I have to move that to the bottom. Wait. Yeah. I have to move the page up. Still have to move the page up. Wait, can I work this backwards? No. Because working it backwards would mean moving everything on top to the top, and then that pushes the thing that I need to move down, which works it backwards, which does everything backwards, which means that I still have the same problem. In theory, what I want to happen should work. I just don't know why it doesn't. I think it's a. Let me look back at image search, because my region should be good unless I have that backwards. Upper left, lower right. X1 is upper left, lower right. No, I'm pretty sure I don't have that backwards. Even if I did, would that be? Even if I did, it would be fine, wouldn't it? Maybe. Wait. No. It would still. No. That wouldn't be fine. That wouldn't be fine at all. It would be weird. options. Like, there's a variation thing. Inclusive. Maybe if I max out the variation, it'll just... Thanks, Chugs. I'm gonna max out the variation. Maybe it's a scale thing too. I don't know how scale works. Like, I can change the width and the height. I had a teacher once. It was like a sort of engineering class, and he always said height, like width and height. He put a th at the end of height. Like, I can barely even say that, but he said it so perfectly and so naturally, like it was what he was supposed to be saying, but it wasn't. Width and height. Length, width, and height. Length. I don't like th at the end of words. Length, width, and height. He was an interesting dude, though. He had a fun class. He had fucking 3D modeling in his class at one point. Like, he had a 3D printer, and we would make 3D models, and I 3D modeled my 3DS. I wasn't able to finish. I didn't have enough time to finish because I was, I was also, like, somewhat working on the projects I was supposed to be. But I did all that just super fast, and then worked on my 3DS thing, but I just still didn't have enough time to do all of it. It was fun, though. Like, I kind of want to get back to that, but I don't even remember, like, what program I was using, and even if I make it, it's like, I either have to, find somebody with a 3D printer, go back to that school and ask to use it, if they'll allow me, or like, send in the file to one of those companies that prints out your 3D shit for you. And half of those involve money. Wait, 2. It's 3. It's hard to have half of 3. 2 of those involve money, and the one of them involves interacting with people I haven't interacted with in years, and just showing up at a middle school like, "Hi, how you doing?" Like, no. I don't want to do that. It's cool, though. Custom weapon. Yeah, well, I mean, it was really simple shit, I don't think I was really into anime at the time either. Yeah, I really wasn't. I didn't give a shit about anime. This was middle school. I had probably never heard the term waifu before. Okay. Scale the image. Images that are not icons are loaded at their actual size. What's, like, it should theoretically, no, because I zoomed in before. So before, I had just copied the image the way it was. Some crazy shit. So I need to get the scale of the image and still... Oh god. Is there a way I can look for text? I don't know. I don't think so. I can imagine... No, that wouldn't work. Now I'm just thinking, I'm just thinking in my head how to do this. Like, the way that I know how to do it, I just don't know how to do this one specific step. Because it's not working for some reason. Okay. I'm just reading. Yeah, I don't know. How the fuck do I do this? Like, as far as I can tell, I have everything set up right. Oh, here we go. To be a match, the image on screen must be the same size as the one loaded via image file parameter. Oh, okay. So size does matter. How the fuck am I supposed to tell how big it is? Oh, God. Okay. So, the first time I did it, I just used a screenshot, but when I zoomed in, I got a really low quality. So the second time I did it, I zoomed in on the desktop or on the page, and I got the screenshot there, getting a higher quality image, but that image is now larger than the one it's looking for, which is not good. So I need to scale the image down to the new size. I think what I'll need to do is get a screenshot of the image now, find the pixel dimensions like exactly, and then match the old or the higher quality back into that and see if that works. Okay, now we know what we're gonna do, so let's do it. Where's print screen? Where is print screen? I never remember. I think I was using a different keyboard before. Let me get my other keyboard. This one, okay. Alright, that's print screen. Let's go to paint.net. Okay, so I already have the thing that I want open anyway, the higher quality version. Let me just paste over this. Now I need to move my selection. No, move my selection. Shit. There we go. To be like a pixel perfect match, which is a lot easier to do when it's so pixelated. Okay, cut that out. File no. Okay. Paste. Now I need the higher quality thing to fit within that. Holy shit. That image is much bigger than the one we're looking for. Also, what? God damn it. How does it not? Oh, no, no. Of course it wouldn't scale right. I'm an idiot. It's also really fucking pixely. No, no, we can't. No, 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 no. I think I just need to keep the higher. Yeah, obviously I just need to keep the other image. The more pixelated one. yeah. We'll just save as that. Replace the other one. Okay. this video as a whole isn't as good as any of them, but you know, Kumo's back. This is shit that I should be doing on my own. I mean, I talk to myself when I'm coding like this anyway. But you know, it's weird when because you can't see any of the screen. Okay. Load the test script. Okay. So if we press O, so the script, the way I have it set up is when I press O, it runs image search, and I have an if that says if the error level is 1, it'll give me a message box that says nope, and 1 means that it couldn't find it, and if the error level is 2, it means that it couldn't run the thing properly for some reason, and it'll give me a can't. If I get nothing, then we're good, and then it means it works. So let's press O, and we get a message box that says nope. It doesn't work. Oh god. I think I'm done here. I think I'm done streaming. This is the best stream. My watch dead? Oh, damn it, I think my watch died. Alright, just sorry. I could have made this an interesting episode, maybe. But now you know the struggles of me attempting to code. Rest in peace, Chugs. Take care of yourself.